Hello everyone, how are you all doing? As you can tell from the title of this video, we are doing an unboxing of the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day Mystery Box. So let's just get right on into the video. So I have to be 100% honest with you all. I already opened this box just to see what's in there. It was like impulse kind of thing. I was there with my mom. She wanted to see. So I actually already swatched these for me, but I wanted to redo this kind of in front of the camera just to show you all. So this is what it comes like. Really cute pink package paper. And here is a little glimpse at the box. So the first thing you see when you open it is this Jeffree Star pop socket. And I'm actually going to be buying a brand new phone at the end of this year, so I'm going to wait to put this on anything so I can put it on my brand new phone. We're just going to do the Skin Frost. And this is in the shade Mint Condition. And it is this green highlight. I've actually worn it already, but I'm just going to apply a little bit using my fingers because I'm too lazy to go get a brush, honestly. And we're just going to put some highlight on right here because I haven't put any on at all today. And I feel like I should blend this out a little bit. And it's very green, but I'll just kind of blend that out a little bit later, because I'm going into work right after this and I don't think they would enjoy it if I showed up with green all over. But I am definitely going to be using this for St. Patrick's Day. I know that a lot of people got either the deep freeze or the mint condition, so I honestly would have been happy with either one. Okay, let's get in to the lipsticks. There's 4 of them. 3 of them are the velour liquid lipsticks, and one of them is his little lip ammunition. It comes in a cute little bullet, and it's in the shade Popsicle Dream, and it's this really nice kind of lavender purple. This is so cute. I've never seen anyone else come out with something like this. So we're just gonna do a little swatch on the back of our hand. So this is a really nice lavender kind of purple, and Jeffree Star's lip products are also safe on the eyes, so I might use this as a cream eyeshadow for Easter. Now this one is his liquid lipstick in the shade Diva. It's a very Barbie kind of pink, and because the lipsticks are eye safe, I'm actually going to be using this in a Valentine's Day look that I'm going to be posting literally on Valentine's Day. I'm going to be using this in the look, so be sure to check out that video. These are all super cute Valentine's Day kind of themed ones that I got. I know a few people got crocodile tears, and I kind of wanted it just so I could use it as an eyeliner. I thought that would have been so pretty. But here is Diva, and here is Popsicle Dream. Next, we are going to be trying this velour liquid lipstick in the shade Scandal. So this is all glittery and really nice, but it's just the packaging. It's not the actual lipstick. Ooh, okay. It's a nude lipstick, and it's very mauve-y, and I actually like it. And then the last item in the Valentine's Day mystery box is Jeffree Who. This is super pretty. Let's just swatch this really quick before we even talk about it. This one right here is Jeffree Who. The next is Scandal, Diva, and then Popsicle Dream. So I think these are all really pretty shades, especially for Valentine's Day. I understand the theme he was going for, and it's super nice. I think the most wearable shade in my mind, the 2 most wearable shades are actually from the Alien collection, so Scandal and Jeffree Who. And I'm just going to swatch the Skin Frost on the back of my hand as well, so we can have swatches of all of them. I just love the packaging of the Skin Frosts. They're so nice. So here's the high intensity of the Skin Frost. And he also has Liquid Skin Frosts and Supreme Frosts, and I feel like the Supreme Frosts are kind of deceiving in the title because they're not supreme in regards to pigment. They're actually a little bit more subtle, which is nice. And I have never tried any of his liquid lipsticks, so these are extremely new for me, and I'm excited to try them. And thank you for the little bonus, Jeffree, the pop socket. I really like it and I appreciate it. But those were the swatches. But I'm super excited about everything I got in the box. Again, it's a mystery box, so you literally have no idea what you're going to get. There's no exchanges, but honestly, this was really nice. I enjoyed every single color that I got, and I cannot wait to play around with some of these. Again, I'm going to be using this color right here, this pink Diva, and possibly another color in my upcoming Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, so stay tuned for that. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I love you all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!